maybe.
Bye, Stringy. Good luck tonight. Maybe I'll see you tomorrow, kid. Tomorrow I'm coming with a scissor. Alright. We got the moon over there. And we got the sun over here. And we got Sir Stringy right here. Gave him some potato salad. I grabbed the string, tried to pull it out, but I couldn't get it out. It's stuck on something, on his tongue or whatever, I don't know. So I wish I had like a little gun I can put him out for a while and then take it out, but I think tomorrow let's come here with a scissor and just try to cut it shorter so it's not tangling in his feet. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like hanging down and bothering him when he's walking. Alright, it's Dino out from Robert Moses Beach, Long Island, New York. And there's the moon. And there's the sun. Stringy's all depressed. Alright, see you guys later.